Today we're going to be making green radish, carrot, corn, and lean pork soup. For this delicious and healthy soup, you're going to need 2 corn on the cob, 4 small carrots, and 2 small green radishes. You will need to remove the husk from the corn, remove the skin from the carrots, and remove the skin from the green radishes. Wash and drain the vegetables. Remove the ends from the carrots and the green radishes, and then chop your vegetable into pieces. Wash and drain, and then cut 1.5 pounds of lean pork into smaller pieces. Put your pork, corn, carrot, and radish into the INSTAPOT or into a slow cooker or soup pot for traditionally cooking on the stove. If you are using an INSTAPOT, add 2 liters of water or to the max line of your INSTAPOT, depending on the size of your INSTAPOT. Then set to soup for 25 minutes. Before you serve the soup, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Now the seasoning is up to your own preference. You can add more or less, but the soup itself is already really sweet from the pork and all the vegetables. I hope you enjoy this healthy and delicious soup.